Hello friends, in this lecture we will know how to create pattern in the sketch modeling. Pattern is basically used to create multiple copies of a same feature. Now to understand the pattern, first let's go to the sketch mode. So select the sketches from here, go to sketch, select a plane and click OK. After that I click on this arrow and we can see the option of pattern curve here. If I click on this option, we can see pattern definition. In this pattern definition, I go to layout and we have three types of pattern: linear, circular and general. So now we are going to learn about them. I click cancel from here. So to create the pattern, first of all we need some reference sketches. So I go to rectangle from here. I draw center rectangle from this origin and draw a rectangle like this. So give it some dimensions. I click close from here. After that I draw a circle. So go to the circle and let's say I draw a circle like this and then close from here. After that I go to this pattern option, pattern curve. So first we will create the pattern that is linear pattern. Now inside this pattern we have to select the curve. So for the curve I select this circle, zoom out. Now for the direction 1 we need to specify any direction for this. So let's say I select this edge as a direction. But now we can see the arrow is going leftward and I want to create pattern on the right side. So I click on this reverse direction and then we need to specify the spacing. In this spacing we have three options: count and pitch, count and span and pitch and span. So count means number of patterns. Pitch means distance between each pattern. And span means complete length of the sketch pattern. So let's say I specify count and pitch. Count, let's say I want to create pattern 5, press enter. Distance between them, let's say initially this is 25. Okay, let's increase this value. So this is 35. And now we can have a better preview of the pattern. I click OK from here. And now we can see we have created multiple copies of same circle. Now go to this part navigator, double click on this sketch. So I press undo from here and once again I go to the pattern. So I select the circle and specify the direction here, reverse the direction. We can also specify the span value. Span means the complete length between the pattern. Now I can also use the direction 2 from here. Click on this check on direction 2. Once again we have similar option. We need to select a vector. So this edge is my direction vector. Number of count, let's say I want 4. And the distance between them is 25. Press enter. And now we can see we have created the pattern. Click OK. So in this way we can create the linear pattern. After that we will learn how to create the circular pattern. To create the circular pattern we need circular references. So I zoom in here to an empty space. I draw a circle, a bigger circle. Inside this circle I draw a smaller circle. Close from here and then go to pattern curve. Here I will select the type as circular and then select the curve. So I select the circle and then specify the base point. So let's say the center of the circle should be the base point. Select the center and again we have similar option. In this case the pitch value is specified in the form of angles. So here I will select count and span. So we know the total span of a complete revolution is 360 degree. So let's say I select this 360 degree and the number of count I want 6. Press enter. So here we can see that at the complete revolution of 360 degree 6 number of pattern are equally spaced, and then click OK. So here we can see in this way we create this circular pattern. And next type of pattern we have is the general pattern. Now I draw a rectangle. So let's say this time I will select corner rectangle like this. Now onto this corner I draw a circle. And then I go to pattern curve. I select general option. So we need to select the curve to pattern. I select this curve. After that we need to specify the location from and to. We can specify using point and coordinate system. So I select the point and let's say from. So from this point up to this point. Now it has calculated the distance between this point, from this point up to this point, and click OK. So in this way we can create the pattern curve.